Okay. Actually, there are many ways to solve the problems. Okay, so what is problems? Okay, problems in Malay means masalah. Okay, so here what you can see, it is given problems and we have to solve the problems. Okay, so let's read the question first. Asma wants to form two-digit numbers using the number cards. Okay, Asma mau membentuk dua digit nombor menggunakan nombor kad. How many numbers can be formed? Berapa nombor yang boleh dibentuk? Okay, let's see. How many numbers do Asma have? Okay, Asma have three numbers, right? 5, 7, and 2. Okay, so what can we do to solve the problems? Okay, one of the ways is we can draw a table. Okay, kita boleh lukis dulu jadual. Okay, then after we draw a table, what we have to do? So, we have to write the digit of tens first. Okay, write the digit of tens. Then, write the digit of ones. Okay, since Asma has three numbers, 5, 7, and 2, so we have to draw a table that has three columns. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So the first column is number begins with 7. Alright. And the second column is number begins with 5. And the third column is number begins with 2. Alright. So we start with the first column. Number begins with 7. Okay. Bermula dengan nombor 7 dulu. Right. So remember, write the digit of tens, then write the digit of ones. Alright. So, since the number begins with 7, okay. So, what is the other number that you can form? Okay. 5, right? So, 7 and 5. 75. Okay. That is the first number. Okay. The second one is 7 and 2. 72. So, there are two numbers that can be formed with 7. Alright. Next, number begins with 5. Okay, so 5 and 7. Right? So 57. And then 5 and 2. 52. So there are two numbers also here. Alright, next, number begins with 2. So 2 and 7. 27. Next, 2 and 5. So, 25. So, how many numbers altogether here we have? Yes, we have 6 numbers altogether. Kita ada 6 nombor semua sekali. Okay? 2, 2, 2. So, 6 numbers altogether. Okay. You understand? Alright. So, let's move to the next questions. Okay. This is question number 2. As you can see here, there are 2 boys. Alright? This is Ali and this is Kumar. Okay. So, this is marbles. Okay. Marbles in Malay means guli. Okay. So, let's read the questions first. Okay. Ali has 45 marbles. Okay, Ali ada 45 biji guli. He has 5 more marbles than Kumar. Okay, 5 more marbles than Kumar. Ali ada 5 biji guli lebih daripada Kumar. How many marbles does Kumar have? Berapakah guli yang Kumar ada? Okay. Sekarang kita dah tahu Ali ada 45 biji guli. Dan dia ada 5 biji guli lebih daripada Kumar. Maksudnya, siapa yang ada lagi banyak guli? Is it Ali or Kumar? Yes, Ali. Alright, so how can we solve the problems? how can we know how many marbles does Kumar have? Right. So what can we do is we can draw a diagram. Okay. Lukis gambar raja. Okay. So the first one, kita lukis dulu gambar raja Ali's marbles. Okay, kita lukis dulu gambar raja Guli Ali. Okay, so this is Ali's marbles. Alright, 45. Okay, remember, he has 5 more marbles than Kumar. Alright, this is 5 more. Alright, and then we draw Kumar's marbles. Okay, Kumar's marbles is 5 less than Ali. Alright, 5 less than Ali. So Kumar's marbles are 5 less than 45. So what we have to do next? Yes, the girl said count back 5 steps from 45. Alright, so from 45 here we count back 5 steps. Okay, remember 5 steps. Okay, 1 step we got 44. Okay, 2 step we got 43. 3 step we got 42. 4 step we got 41, and 5 step we got 40. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, cukup 5 steps. So how many does Kumar have here? So Kumar has 40 marbles. Kumar ada 40 guli. Okay, can you get it? Alright. Okay, so this question needs you to draw a diagram first. Alright. Actually, you can do many ways to solve the problem, and one of them is draw a diagram. Alright. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, let's see the picture here. There are 2 students, okay, the girl and the boy. Alright, Ramesh and Maya are talking. Okay, Maya. This is Maya. Ramesh, my body mass is 30 kilo. Berat badan saya 30 kilo. Maya, my body mass is more. Berat badan saya lebih. If I rounded off my body mass, it is also 30 kilo. Kalau saya bundarkan berat badan saya, ia juga menjadi 30 kilo. So do you remember? You have learned about round off before this, right? Yes. Okay. So the question is, what is Ramesh's possible body mass? Okay. So the method is, we can do guess and check. Okay. We can guess first and check whether the answer is true or not. Alright. So test 1. Okay. We do the first test. Alright. Since Ramesh said that if he round off his body mass, it's also 30 kilo. Right. So we started with 31. Okay. So let's round off 31. Okay. So 31. When we round off 31, is become 30. Okay. Next, we take 32. Okay. 32 is rounded off to 30 also. Right. Okay. Next one, 33. 33 also rounded off to 30. Okay. What about 34? Right. 34. When you round off, you will get 30 also. Next, 35. Okay. 35 is rounded off to 40. Okay. So, what can we say here? So, what is Ramesh's possible body mass? Okay, so, see, 31, 32, 33, and 34. When rounded off, you get 30. So Ramesh's possible body mass is 31 kilo, 32 kilo, 33 kilo, or 34 kilogram. Okay. So for this question, the method that we can use is guess and check. Okay, remember kids that we have to look at the question first, and then we can decide which way we want to use to solve the question, okay, the problems. Okay, so that's all for today's topic. Okay, I hope you understand what I have shared to you. Okay, thank you kids.